Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we are going to learn how to create a database design in Oracle SQL Developer Data Modeler. So first, let's right-click on Designs and press New Design. Here you can see we have a logical part and a relational part. We are not going to work on relational part, but on logical part. In this logical part, we will create our tables, and the point of creating this is to generate a script afterwards. And we will insert that script inside of SQL developer program so we can work on that database. So let's see how to create our first table. Just go and press on this new entity and click here. Let's say we want to create a database for a store. So we will have more products. For example, we will sell laptops, phones, we can sell also kitchen products, for example, microwave, and so on and so forth. And we will have different products, and every product should be inside a category. So we will first create a category table, product category. And let's put some attributes inside of it. So we will have first an identifier attribute. It will be category ID. And this one should be mandatory, okay? So not null. And let's put logical here. And let's make it numeric. Let's add another attribute, and this one will be category name. And this one will be varchar, and the name should not be longer than 150 characters. Let's make it mandatory also, and just press OK. Now we can see here that our table has two attributes. So the first attribute, category ID, should also be the primary key. For now, it's not set, but we will set it in just a second. As you can see here, they have this star, and this means that these fields are mandatory. For example, if we will create another attribute and we will not check this mandatory, let's say numbers, I don't know, it's just numeric. And we will not check this one, it will be O, and this means it's optional. But for now we don't need it, so just click here and delete it. Okay, so let's put this field to be the primary key. So this field will be the identifier for this table. So double click here again, go to unique identifiers and press on plus. And now double click on this one. And we can select from attributes and relations the field we want to become the identifier field. So we will select category ID and press on this arrow and just OK. And now press double click again here, go to the general and make it, instead of unique key, a primary key. So press OK. Now you can see here it has a hashtag. So this means that this field will be the primary key. Okay, let's create now another table that would be named products. And this table will have a product ID, logical, numeric, mandatory. It will have a product name. This one will be varchar. Let's say the name should not be longer than 150 characters. Let's put a price. We will have numeric. The price should have the precision, I don't know, let's say 9 numbers and just 2 decimals. Let's create a current VAT for these products, and it will be also numeric, 4 numbers and 2 decimals. and just press OK. And now let's make this product ID the identifier. So just go to unique identifiers, press on plus, and select the attributes right here. And then double click again and go to the general and select primary key. Okay, so now we have these two tables. Let's make the relationship between these two. So here you can see these green arrows, and this is a star and a star, so it's many-to-many relationship. This one is one-to-many, but with relation identifying. And this one is, as you can see here, it has a small vertical line here. We can create this also manually, so don't worry about that. And of course, we have the relationship one-to-one. So for now, we just have to press on one-to-many relationship. And let's think. We have a category. Inside of this category, we can have more products. Okay, so for example, we have the category of phones. And inside of the phones, we have Samsung, we can have Huawei, iPhone, and so on and so forth. And this means that one category, press click on here, can have more products. So we have this here. This window will appear, and just press on OK. To make this identifying, as you can see here, it's very simple. We just have to press on products, for example, go to relationships and press double click on that one, and we can see here identifying. So if we press identifying, we will have this relationship right here. So yeah, let's let it like this. A product is identified by a product category. So for the sake of the example, I want to show you how to create a table inside of a table. I think you have seen that in some examples from, I don't know, the teacher, from the university, or I don't know. And let's create it right here so you can see how to create that. Let's create another table that is named clients. And this table has a client ID. Now we just create a normal table with an ID. It will be mandatory. And let's say address. That it will be varchar 150. And press OK. Let's make client ID the unique identifier. Just go to the attributes and relations and double click here again, general. We already done that before, so press OK. So let's make this bigger. Inside of this one, we want to put different type of clients. So let's say we sell products to organizations, but also for normal people, a normal customer. So let's create another table named organizations, and let's make it unique in its way. Let's put organization name, varchar. Let's press OK. And we will have another table named people with attribute person name and also varchar. So how do we put these two tables inside of this one? To insert them, we have to press double click on them. We have to go to general, and here we can see the super type option, and we have to select the table that is the parent. Okay, so table client, it will be the parent for these two. So these two are the children. So just press OK. Now you can see that people is inside clients. And also the organization, just press double click on the general, select clients. And now these two tables are inside the clients. So for the example, I will just let these two here so we can go to the relational part. And how do we create the relational part? Well, we just have to press on this engineer to relational model. If we press here, let's make it smaller. We go here down to engineer. Well, here we have like some signs because not all the tables are in a relationship. So the clients, it doesn't have any relationship with products, but well, this is just the example. I just want to show you how to generate the script. And press on engineer. And you can see here that we have these tables. This is the relational part. Okay. So you can see here that the product category has a primary key, and the primary key is category ID. And also you can see here another sign, and this means that the products has another attribute named product category ID. So this is the name of this table, and the foreign key, as you can see here, we have in the table products, we have from the table product category a foreign key that is named product category ID. So this one is the foreign key in our table. And the same thing is done also for clients. You can see here that the foreign key is client ID for this one and also for this one. And let's say these are our tables. Okay, so let's make this a script. So for creating the script, we just have to go to the view and go to DLL file editor. And here we just have to press on generate. And go to OK. Well, we have some errors because, of course, this is just an example, but look, this is the script that we need, in fact, with the tables. Okay. Well, now we can save this one, and we can save it in on the desktop, and let's name it script. And press save. Okay. So with that script, we can insert that script inside of Oracle SQL Developer and then work with the tables, populate them, and make some interrogations. We can make functions, triggers, and so on and so forth. Thank you guys. I just show you how to use data modeler, how to create tables, how to create primary keys, how to create an inheritance tables, so parents and children's, and well, that's it. See you soon. Bye bye.